Welcome, adorable divine you. You're going to get valuable blessings from the universe today. A fantastic offer will come your way, and your greatest dream is about to be fulfilled. Your life will experience rapid transformation. You have always been blessed. Have faith in that. When you choose not to give up, magic happens. The persistent soul is always treasured by the universe. Big things are not too far away, and it is important that you express what you feel and believe. This period of your life will need you to make some of the largest decisions. The blessings for which you have been hoped and prayed will be given to you. Your happiness will inspire everyone around you to become enthusiastic. Open your mind and be ready. Don't worry about how God will answer your prayers. Simply have faith that He will. Very soon you will find yourself in a situation that will be highly beneficial to you. It seems as though important events are going to take place. You must realize that when everything seems to be going wrong, old energies are released to make space for fresh energy. All people were created equally, says God, and each has a mission on this planet. You must be respectful of everyone who crosses your way today. You will experience a lot of positive changes at once and feel grateful that you remained unchanged. Be open to accepting more money while being grateful for the money you now have. Be grateful for your relationship with God and your spiritual life, which will both grow in the upcoming months. You will succeed. You and your family are doing all awesome. Have faith in your life's purpose. There is a reason why you are reading this. This message serves as your affirmation that things will work out just fine. Right now, God and your guardian angels are clearing the path for you. Give yourself permission to let go of the urge for situations to go a certain way. In the universe, mistakes don't exist. Allow yourself the joy of letting go of your worries and having faith that everything will work out as it should. You're about to let something go that has tired you over for years. A shift is coming. You're sensitive to everything because you have a kind heart and a pure soul. One thing to keep in mind is that this is your power, not your flaw. Keep close to those who truly care about you, and keep away from those who are only trying to take advantage of your power. Don't be ashamed to be who you truly are. Your guardian angels are here to help you achieve your goals, so keep a positive attitude. Stay calm and avoid from chasing or pleading after anything. All your dreams will come to you once you are calm. You are going to have a door opened for you that you didn't even approach. Never undervalue the power of God when you give Him the whole of your wounded soul. Respect and love yourself. Be grateful for what you have right now, so that you can be grateful for everything to come, says God. Blessings are coming your way. God, universe, and angels, thank you. And God bless you all. Thank you.